Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can withdraw money from your Moonshot app. So it's going to be pretty simple. First of all, once you open your mobile app Moonshot, you're going to go to the holding section and click withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, you're going to see this screen. Now from here you can add if you want crypto or something else. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add the total amount from here, and once you do that you will paste the payment address. You will basically press on swipe to withdraw, and you're going to select the payment address and where you want to send the money, which crypto or which account you want to send the money in. So after selecting the money, what you're going to do is you're going to paste the address where you're going to send the money, and after that you will just do some continuation. You're going to do confirmation, and after that, when the transaction is confirmed, your product details will be delivered to your email and it will be displayed on the screen. So it's basically as simple as that. You'll enter the amount, you'll swipe to withdraw, and after that you will add the information of where you want to send the money and confirm. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.